Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 26. For everyone asking where the DNC is in regard to the Florida elections, Co-Vice Chair David Hogg will be at the Special Elections National Organizing Call on Monday. So I hope that conversation is now over. Chantel Brown of Ohio 11 held a town hall last night. I know everyone is holding town halls and you can't watch all of them, but you gotta watch this one, at least a little bit of it. I've never heard her do a speech before, and now I don't want to miss a single one of them. She's very good. Kelly Morrison, Minnesota 3, posted a list of everything she did this week on recess. I really like that she laid this out, and it gives a glimpse into what representatives are doing on recess. It is, in fact, not a vacation. And now you know for next recess that it's always possible to find events that you can attend as a constituent. The 2 states with at-large representatives that are under Democratic control are having town halls, with all 3 of their federal electeds. Delaware's will be a Zoom on Monday, and Vermont's will be by telephone on Wednesday. Mark Pocan of Wisconsin 2 is one of my favorites. I hope he becomes one of yours too. The Wisconsin Farmers Union hosted a town hall and invited West Wisconsin electeds. Mark obviously showed up, as well as a few Dem state legislators. Not a single Republican was present. And this is so smart because some people in that room probably didn't even know that DT is responsible for what's happening to them. Mark also posted a video explaining what he did this whole week. Sarah Jacobs did a Get Ready With Me to explain what Republicans are trying to do to Medicaid. It has more views than some of her videos, so she's getting there. I love that she tried something new, and I think this could work if she keeps trying it. And finally, Senator Adam Schiff of California did his weekly In Case You Missed It, his quasi-fireside chat that goes viral, all about AP being kicked out of the White House press corps, which is perfect timing as they announced their lawsuit of 3 administration officials today. There were so many Democrats doing the work today, so please share any stories that I might have missed. Our voices are our superpower, but only when we use them.